This might just be the best jerk chicken we have ever tried. Perfectly cooked on the flame barbecue grill and topped off with this tongue-bursting mango chutney and a side of pickled cabbage. This is Jalan, the only Afro-Caribbean restaurant in KL. Located in this colonial-style building next door to the Stripes Hotel, the drinks started our night perfectly with an extensive cocktail, wine and beer list, and we couldn't resist trying the deep-flavoured walnut hummus with pumpkin seeds and pomegranate molasses, perfectly balanced. Hitting up these guava-glazed prawn tostadas that sat on a fava bean puree and pickled cabbage was just sensational, and those prawns were so succulent and sweet. And this watercress salad looks so simple but absolutely punched with flavour. We couldn't stop there and we had to try these grilled goat ribs topped off with a mouth-tingling chili glaze that just combined really well and melted in the mouth. This unusual cut of US hanger steak was perfectly cooked and topped with the fried cow and cabbage that was surprisingly hearty and gamey but perfect in flavour. We couldn't resist finishing off with the New York-style chili cheesecake with mango puree that was sweet, silky smooth and slightly spicy. Remember to like and follow, and if you have any recommendations for us to visit, drop them in the comments.